Hello everyone, my name is Samiksha Singh, and without wasting much of the time, I would like to share my views on a very trending topic nowadays, which is sexual harassment or sexual harassment. A very long word though, but it takes few seconds. Really, I am saying this few seconds to commit this heinous crime. So different people have different opinion about this, but what matters the most is what our law say about it. So let me read for you the exact definition given in our law. So the basic definition of sexual harassment comes from the United States Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, that is EEOC. Unwelcome sexual advances, request for sexual favors, and other verbal or physical conduct of a sexual nature constitutes sexual harassment. When submission to or rejection of this conduct explicitly or implicitly affects an individual's employment, unreasonably interferes with an individual's work, performance, or creates an intimidating, hostile, or offensive work environment. So, after hearing this, we all be like, "ये क्या है?" Because most of us understands layman language, apart from the students who are into a law field. So if I had to explain you in my language, so I would only say that by those acts by which a woman feels offended, humiliated, or very much she's like what is that word exactly, I'm not getting it, with uncomfortable, most important, uncomfortable. So now we are like that, what are the behaviors which amount to sexual harassment? So let me tell you some suggestive comments, jokes, staring, unwelcome touch, request for sex, insults, or taunts based on sex, etc. Now, what is the legal history behind this? So, the modern legal understanding of sexual harassment, that is SH, was first seen in 1970s. So many cases, number of cases was registered that time. They were not related to only one culture, many other cultures were there. So apart from all this, what are the circumstances in which these things arise? This is also a very important question. So sexual harassment can occur in a variety of circumstances. So let me tell you some of them. The victim as well as the harasser may be a woman or a man. No doubt, not only women but a men can also be harassed. The victim does not have to be of the opposite sex. The harasser can be the victim's supervisor, an agent of the employer, a supervisor in another area, a co-worker, or a non-employee. So apart from this, there are many other points, like the victim does not have to be the person harassed but could be anyone affected by the offensive conduct. Unlawful sexual harassment may occur without economic injury to or discharge of victim. The harasser's conduct must be unwelcome. Okay, so after going through these things, Now let us talk about the preventions. How can we prevent this and make our society free from all this? See, generally we hear most of the time a woman being harassed. So main focus should be on women. So prevention, the most important according to me, must be in school days, college, secondary school, workplace, everywhere such education should be given. Now how can these things be given? Conduct seminars, workshop, tell people around you that these things are not right, you should avoid it, you should respect women. These things will help a lot. So there might be so many preventions, but the most important is education. If you educate your surrounding that these things are not at all good, it is not a joke, it is a crime, I bet you no one will do all this anymore. So in nutshell, I would only and only like to say that women are very important part of our society, just like men. And not only women, men are also, I equally agree, but mostly we see a women being harassed. So it is so shameful to see this. Your mother, your sister, your grandmother, all your, when it comes to your, you are there to fight. But when it comes to all other, you are like none of my matter. This should be not your thinking. Every girl, every woman is important. So make this society free. Make a woman free from all these things. Let her survive in this society with not being uncomfortable. Let her enjoy. Let her enjoy. Let her enjoy. Thank you.